In the previous video we created a nuBuilder homepage for an access level. Now what we've done here in the URL is that we've added the username and password so that we can jump straight past the login page completely. So if we put this in an iframe, then we can add it to another HTML page and see nuBuilder working without even having to log in.